Okay, Chevalier, today in this class, we see these things, okay? Rank, summarize, calculate, and calculate table, okay?
Yes, sir.
So, calculate and calculated table are filter functions, okay? So, rank and summarize are mathematical and statistical functions, okay? So, we'll see these four things today. We explain the rank, I will create a table, okay? The student, here I'll put something like marks, okay? Let's say Ajay 28, Suresh 34, Prasad 34, Santosh, okay, 45, Raju, okay, let's say 56, okay, Soma, yeah, let's say 65, okay, again Kalyan, let's say 65, let's say Radha, let's say 72. So, okay, these are the marks, but I want to change some marks in different values, not ascending. Okay, okay, here 34, 34, 65, 65. Here let's say, okay, here I'll put, okay, 65. Here 25 I put, right? Okay. So let's say here something like 47 will give, okay?
Okay, sir.
45. So student and marks I have taken like this. So if we want to populate a rank column here, so that who is got first rank marks, second rank, like that. So that is the Rankx function in Power BI DAX, okay? So for that we have to write a measure first. So that measure is like here I'll say total marks, or I put marks, okay? Okay, sum of the marks. So this is a measure I have written, marks measure I have written. So this marks measure I will use in the Rankx function, okay? So let's see the Rankx function, measure underscore rank x, okay? Rankx, what it says, table. So what is the table? We have table marks, right?
Yes, sir.
This is the table, okay? And expression,
But it home table, it is an order, no, sir. You have to change it.
it's okay. It will take.
Sir. Okay.
Let us see. It won't take. Will change, but it will take, I guess. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So table expression. Okay, expression will give the marks, right? This expression we are giving measure. Then value is optional, leave it. Okay. Then order I am putting the descending order. Okay. Then dense rank or skip rank, I will explain what are the differences between these two. So I am using dense now. Okay. So let us see how it works. So we have to so it throw the error. Why it will throw error? I will show, I will tell you. So here, okay, where are the marks? Student marks. Okay, these are the marks, right?
Yes, sir.
Then I use the measure. Ah, single value for marks in the table cannot be determined. Have a formal content without special aggregation. Okay. So not column. Here we have to use marks measure we have to use, no? Not column. Marks measure we have to use. This one. Okay. So let us see what output it is giving. It is giving all ones. That means rank is not working. Right, Chevalya?
Mm. Yes, sir.
Because there are some filters applied on that. That's why it's not working. Okay. So there are filter Ajay, Kalyan. These are all filters, right? Filter applied, so only one marks will be there. So rank is one it is giving. Again, for this filter, Kalyan is applied. That's why 65 is there. That's why one it is giving. So we want to remove this filter, student filter on these marks. Then we have to take all these marks. Then we have to apply a rank. Okay. So we have to remove these filters. Okay. So for that we have a function. So we have to put all. All means it will remove all filters from the table. Okay. Right. All means it will remove all filters from the table. So let's see now. Yeah, now it is working. Okay, Shavalya. So if I put ascending orders like this, we will get 65 is the first mark. Again, 65 is the first rank. And 56 is 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is dense. Dense means it won't skip any rank. So if I use the skip, then let's see what happens. Skip means what happens here, 1, 1, then 2 is skipped. Directly it will go to the 3. Okay, 4, 5, 5 is there. Okay, so 6 is skipped because in 6th place 5 only there, right? 5, 5, 5 is repeated twice. That's why 6 is skipped and 7 and 8 has come. Right, Chevalier?
Yes, sir.
This is skip. So if you give the dense, what happens? It will give consecutive ranks, like it won't skip anything. 1, 2, even though double is there, it won't skip. It will give 2. Okay. And 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. So that is rank. Okay. So always you have to remember while using the rank that you have to remove all filters from the table. So these are the filters, right? Filter row contest. Okay. Power BI works in a row filter contest, right? So these marks are filtered by these names. So but you are calculating rank on these marks. That's why you have to remove these filters. That's why you have to use all.
Oh,
Okay. Then it will remove filters. Then it will calculate the rank. Okay. So that is Rankx function. Then we'll go to the summarize. So summarize, you remember, right? In Power Query, group by is there, no? So same thing here, we'll call it as a summarize function. Okay. So we have to use a table, not measure. Okay. So table summarize. Right. So summarize table is my orders. So group by column is my subcategory. The name I said, told, right? Some of the sales, some sales. Okay, some aggregation sales. Now you got, right? You remember in Power Query, no, how we are used group by? Chevalia? Hello? Hello? Are you there, Chevalia?
Hello?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Disconnected.
Okay. So in Power Query, you remember, right, how it worked? So
Yes, sir.
similar, it will work here also. Okay. And you can give some other aggregations also. So some of the sales, some you are taken. So average of the sales, average you can take. Average of the sales, that average profit we will take. And take average profit. Okay. Then it will give us average profit column like this. Understood?
Yes,
So
sir.
that is called summarize. Okay. And one more use of summarize is you can extract the columns from the table. Okay. Okay. So let me take a new table and let me take summarize to I'll put. Okay. Then summarize table orders. So whatever columns you want, you can extract. I want subcategory column. I want region column. Then I want quantity column. These are enough for me. So it will simply give those columns to you. Okay. So two ways you can use summarize. One is doing the group by. Other one is extracting the columns.
Okay.
Okay. So that is
Yes.
summarize. Next we'll go to the calculate function. It's very tricky one in the entire tax. Okay. Calculate function is tricky one in entire DAX. Okay. So let's see to learn the calculate function. Okay. So take a subcategory table here. First table you take. Then subcategory sales. Okay. So I will write a calculate function. This is the heart of the DAX, I can say. Okay. Lot of our regular work we will use calculate only. Calculate function. Okay. Then calculate expression. I want to take sum of sales. Expression is sum of the sales. And it will give filter. It will ask for filter. So what filter I will give? Subcategory equal to chairs. Chairs. Okay. Right. Subcategory equal to sales. So let's see what output it will give. So what difference you observed here? So whatever chairs is there, that will be displayed for all rows. Okay. And there is no effect of these filters. Accessories, appliances, art binders, that filter is not there. So that is the beauty of calculate function. Understood, Chevalier?
Yes, sir.
See, for see some of the sales they are changing, right? All these things, but calculate function measure value, scalar value. This is not changing by these filters. These filters. There is no effect of these filters on the calculate function. That is the beauty of the calculate function. Okay. So whatever
Okay.
column you are using here in the filter, okay, whatever column you are using in this filter, the other values in that column won't affect the output. The subcategory filter we are using. So what are the other values of the subcategory? These are the values of subcategory, right? So this
Mm,
effect
yes,
is
sir.
not there on the output. Output won't change. Okay. So whatever chairs is there, same value will be there for entire column. So that is the beauty of calculate function. So always remember that whatever column you are using in the filter, that column won't affect the output, other values. The filters in that column won't affect the output. So if it is, see, it is filtering by asterisk, but it is not affecting output. It is filtering by appliance, but it's not affecting the output. Okay. So that is the
Yes, sir.
beauty of calculate function. Okay. So what is the use of this calculate function is you can use this property, right, to calculate any percentages and all. Okay. So let me calculate a percentages now. Okay. Of sales, I want to calculate these each sale percentage in total sales. Okay. So first we will calculate the measure for grand total. Okay. So take a measure grand total. Grand total, how much value we should get? Grand total sales 2297,200. Okay. For that I am using calculate function, sum of the sales. Okay. Sum of the sales by removing all filters from the orders. Then I will get sum of the sales. Right. So what is this value? Let us see. So 2297 for all rows we are getting 2297 because I use the calculate function and I removed
Yes, sir.
all filters from the orders. So it
Yes, sir.
won't affect by any column in the orders table. For example, region I will take with a slicer. If I use any region also, it won't affect. See, grand total is not changing, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
I will take a category slicer. Okay, let's say category slicer. This is also not affecting your grand output, grand total output. So that is the beauty of calculate function. I removed all measures, right? All filters from the orders. So whatever column you are using, it won't affect. So this property we can use as a use to calculate our percentages, right?
Yes, sir.
So for that, what I will take here, I will take a new measure. I will take say percentage sum of the sales divided by grand total. So this property I am using to calculate the percentage. Right, Shavalya?
Yes, sir.
So see the calculate where is percentage here. So it calculated a percentage. So select this percentage and convert it to percentage using the tools here. Okay, these are the percentage. So that is the beauty of calculate function. Using that you can calculate a percentage of each subcategory out of total sales, grand total sales. Okay, that is calculate function. Okay,
Yes,
understood?
yes, sir.
And one more thing you have to remember that in calculate function you can't use any measure. If you use measure, it will throw the error. Okay.
Mm. And for summarize, sir,
Hmm?
for calculate, what measures, sir? We can use measures, no, sir, for calculate.
Now inside this, in filter we can't use a
Ah,
measure.
filter.
For example, if I use a measure here, so what measure I have? Any grand total measure I have, right? So let me write a simple measure and try to use in the calculate function, and it will throw the error. For example, let us take a simple measure. Okay, something like measure sales. Simple measure I am taking, Shavilya. Sales. Then I will use this sales in my calculate function. Let's see what happens in filter. This is filter, right?
Yes, sir.
So sales measure I am taking sales less than, okay, sales less than, let's say 2000 or less than, let's say 1000. So what I am asking to do, whatever sales are there which are less than 1000, I am aggregating, I am sorting them and taking the sum of the values. So it will throw the error to me because what it is say, function placeholder has been used in true false expression, that is used as a table filter expression. It is not allowed. So measure is not allowed inside the filter function in calculate. To solve this, what we have to do? We have to use in a filter function. Filter we have to use, then it will work. Filter orders. Okay. Then expression is this one. Okay. Then it will work. Right?
Yes, sir.
See the output. Yeah, these are the values. So wherever SR is, wherever sales are below 1000, I am taking all those things and I am aggregating. Okay,
Yes, sir.
understood, right?
Yes, sir.
SREs will be having the so many sales, right? Each
Yes,
sale
sir.
it will
Yes.
compare with 1000. If it is less than 1000, that sale will it will group all those sales, filter all those sales, then it will sum those sales. Okay, so that is calculate function. Whenever you have to use a measure in calculate function, always remember that filter you have to use. Don't use as it is.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that is calculate function. So we have time or not? Another 6 minutes. Okay, I will complete. So next is, so calculated table. Calculated table. Okay, right? Calculate you understood, no, Chevalier?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
That is the heart of the DAX. So our regular work we have to use calculate only, and it is a bit tricky. You have to understand how we are doing. So this you understood, no? Sales, wherever sales are less than 1000, all those sales it will filter and then it will calculate some of those sales. So for accessories we got 120k, appliances we got 70k, which are all sales less than 1000 I aggregated. Understood? If you want to understand
Yes,
in
sir.
this, if you want to understand here, okay, I will tell you. So here, what is happening? These sales are there, no? So put a filter here and put a subcategory accessories, right? So what I am asking to do, these sales wherever less than 1000 are there, okay? Wherever less than 1000 are there, all those sales I am trying to sum it and take the output. So this value won't come, okay? Like that, this value won't come. This value won't come, right, Chevalier? And remaining all values will come. Whichever is greater than 1000, it won't come. All those cells I am summing, then I am giving the output here. That is 120k. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next, we'll go to calculated table. Okay, so calculated table means in the name suggests it's a table. Okay, it's a table, it will return a table. So calculated table. So it will calculated table gives the mini table from main table. So main table is orders. From here you can extract a mini table from the main table. So filter, okay, filter. I'll give as subcategory. Okay, subcategory as a, let's say subcategory chairs I am interested. Okay, then region I'm interested in, western region I'm interested. Then quantity I'm interested which are less than say 10. Okay, so whatever filters I am giving, all those conditions it will take and it will give me the mini table like this. Western region, okay, and chairs, where are my chairs? Chairs here, western region, and quantity less than 10. So quantity less than 10, wherever quantity is less than 10, all those will come. Understood? It's a mini table. If you give greater than 10, then this many only one value is there. Okay? Shavali, understood, na? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
So that is calculated table. So these things you practice. Okay? Rank, summarize, calculate, and calculate table. You can practice and let me know any questions tomorrow. Right? You have to practice today only. Then
Yes,
only
sir.
you can understand. Okay?